So in this video, we cover photometric light. This is a very special and useful type of light. Using photometric light, you can define how you want your light beams to be distributed based on real-world light distribution profile files. You can use IES files to control the distribution of light or how the light propagates in your scene. IES files provided by the lighting manufacturers can be used to imitate the complex lighting effects produced by specific lighting fixtures. So first of all, let me add an Arnold photometric light. And in the main tab, you need to define the IES file, which are basically those distribution pattern files. And you can download thousands of them for free. Just Google IES files. I have provided two for you, a simple one and a more complex one. So go to the project files for the lighting section of this course, and in the text folder, load this IES file called IES complex. You can try this simple one on your own. I'm going to enable the IPR, and to see the distribution pattern a bit better, I'm going to position the light near this wall and rotate it so the Z axis looks downward. Now increase the exposure of the light to about 0.5. As you can see, we have this complex pattern of light which would be literally impossible to achieve without photometric lights. You can select the light and change its pattern if you wanted, or decrease or increase its intensity, its color. Rotate this light as you wish. They work with atmospheric effect as well. So you get these beautiful complex patterns for free. Let me create two duplicates and put them beside the first one above the chairs. If you noticed any sort of fireflies or excessive noise coming from your photometric light, you can simply zero out the indirect contribution of the light. Fireflies are those very bright random pixels here and there in your render, if you are wondering, but that was a known issue a few versions back before Arnold 5. But now photometric lights are much better and normally don't cause these issues unless you have very crazy exposure values for them. And in that case, as I mentioned, you can decrease or completely disable their indirect effect. Now for the final render, you can increase the light samples to about 4 if you noticed any noise. But right now the light radius is set to 0 centimeters, so the shadows coming from these lights will be very sharp. For diffuser shadow, increase the radius number for them. And here is our render. In this video, we learned about photometric light in Arnold. See you in the next one.